Inihayag ni Billy Crawford na handa na nilang lisanin ng kanyang asawa na si Colleen Garcia ang Pilipinas matapos na magsara ang kanilang network na ABS-CBN. Ayon pa kay Billy ay plano na nilang maibenta ang kanilang bahay at ari-arian upang manirahan sa ibang bansa. I'm planning to sell everything and gonna move out of this country. And feels, wala eh. I didn't have a job. You know what I'm saying? And if I did, it wasn't really sustainable. I couldn't sustain my family. It was a lot of depressing moments. Saad ni Billy sa panayam sa kanya. Sinabi pa ni Billy na iniyakan niya ang nangyari sa home network. I'm not gonna lie. There are a lot of nights that I cried. There are a lot of nights that I called most of my friends at ABS. And I'm still in touch with my kapamilya. Lahat kami magkakaibigan. Magkakapamilya talaga kami. Yung mga ibang tao lang naman talaga ang nagbibigay kulay. Sabi ni Billy. Nakapanayam si Billy noong December 12 sa programa na Usapang Real Life, kung saan si Lucy Cruz Valdez ang host.
Share, subscribe!